Nailed it.
In a world where most DIY channels hand you the blueprint, one man chose the road less measured. No instructions, no guarantees, just sawdust, grit, and a stubborn streak as wide as the Alaskan highway. This isn't a tutorial. It's not a review channel. It's something wild.
I'll take it from here. What he means is, it's chaos. This isn't a tutorial, it's not a review channel, it's something wilder. He built a DIY truck bed camper with zero plans. Then drove it from Michigan to Alaska. He survived snowstorms, tested solar kits, cooked wild game and got ambushed by zombie salmon. Crafted power stations from scratch, busted pallets like a man possessed, and turned failure into firewood. Narrated superbly, of course, by yours truly, the disembodied British dude. This channel is for creators who don't follow blueprints, who stare at a pile of junk and see potential, who've duct-taped their dreams together and learned by doing, one splinter at a time. If you're built for the wild, if you'd rather create than copy, you've already found your tribe. Subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. This is Built for the Wild.